Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green salad with lettuce, updated. Start by washing 200 g of lettuce under cold water, then dry it well in a salad spinner or towel, and tear leaves into bite-sized pieces. Remove any wilted edges and chill the prepared lettuce briefly while you slice other ingredients. Proper washing and gentle handling create a crisp base that stays fresh and vibrant when dressed. Combine a variety of fresh vegetables to build texture and taste in your green salad. Thinly slice 1 cucumber and half a cup of cherry tomatoes, then add thin rings of red onion or soak them in water for milder flavor. Toss these into the prepared lettuce, keeping ingredients balanced so each bite has contrast. Chill the mixture briefly if ingredients were warm, then proceed to dressing and finishing touches. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to keep your kitchen clean with voice control, because a tidy counter makes salad prep easier and more fun. I mention it as a friendly tip many viewers find useful. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Make a bright vinaigrette by whisking 3 tablespoons olive oil with 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and cracked black pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the vegetables and lettuce, then toss gently to coat without bruising leaves. Sprinkle crumbled feta or toasted nuts for contrast, and add a light grind of black pepper to finish. Serve the salad immediately to enjoy peak texture and flavor where crispness really shines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.